guys, it's Miss Greg here. I just want to go over a few things before you get started today. I promise to make this as short as possible. First of all, you should see a checklist at the top in the description of this form. Make sure you check out your checklist so you know what you need to accomplish today. I just want to go over a few things before you get started here. So your first thing on your checklist is to complete this form. Make sure you watch both videos and complete the form. The next thing that it says is to complete a Nearpod. There should be a link on Google Classroom to Nearpod so that you can join our Nearpod lesson for today. Once you get to Nearpod, if it asks you to put in the code, please put in the code that's on Google Classroom, and then you should get taken to this screen. So you do need to enter your actual name because I need to know that you took it. And then after that, if you want to put in a username or screen name, for example, I could put Miss Greg in here. Just make sure it is appropriate and click Join Session. You should get this slide that comes up first. Basically, this is a very interactive PowerPoint. So you'll go through, you'll read the content that's there or watch the content that's there, and then complete an activity. For example, this one is a matching activity about the characters. You'll go through, there might be, for example, our next one's a web page. You'll go through, read the entire Prezi that's linked, and then you can go on to the next activity. Our next activity is a game. It's similar to quizzes or Kahoot. It's pretty fun. So have some fun with it. Our next one would be a video. Most of these, well, actually all the rest of these from here on out, and this is going to be a different video each time, along with a different activity. For example, this one is an open-ended question that you need to respond to. You'll have a bunch of open-ended questions. There's one more I want to show you guys real quick. This one's a memory test, so you'll go through and match them. So click on one, match it, and after you match all of them, there'll be a final question that you'll use your memory test to answer. Another open-ended question for you guys. And then this one at the end is a collaborate. You can post a note on here. So at the bottom, you'll share your thoughts about it and make a prediction of what you think will happen to the case next. And click the post button. You'll be able to see everyone's answers, and you'll be able to see what other people are predicting too as well, which is really kind of neat. Once you're all done with that, there's a poll I want you to take. Make sure you get all the way to the end. Do all of the questions because they're all about if you liked it or not. And at the end, you should get something like this. Make sure you click, if there's a submit button, make sure you click the submit button. That way you know I got your results and I will be looking at them. You do need to complete every activity for it to actually submit. So do complete every single activity. I am going to be looking at who did it and who did not. This is a grade. All right, so let's see the other thing I wanted to show you guys really quick before I let you move on. So your vocabulary assignment has changed. I wanted to make sure, since we're not in the room together, that you have a little bit more practice with our words. So what you are going to do for each word is you're going to come up with your own definition. So a definition in your own words. A picture for the words, and then you're going to write 2 sentences using the word. And you're going to go through and do that for each word. I did extend this week. Our vocabulary is going to be due on Friday instead of today. So please make sure that you're aware of that. Since I did give you another assignment along with your vocabulary, I wanted to give you some additional time to complete that. And then finally, here are vocab words for the week. So we have strenuous, which basically means hard and stressful. Levation, if you're using the word levation, you are cleaning something. Mollify, if something happens and it makes it more likely for you to like something, that would be the word mollify. So if my fiance put chocolate on vanilla ice cream, I would be mollified to eat it. I love chocolate. Arid, lacking vitality or spiritualist, lifelessness. Basically, it's just lifeless. We also sometimes use arid as in dry too, as well. Pilgrimage. Pilgrimage is any kind of journey to a special place. So our next words are all from chapter 19. We have candid, open, and honest. If you're being candid, you're being very honest. Fatalistic. Basically, that is when someone accepts something negative is going to happen. Feral is a synonym for wild. Ruefully just means you regret something. And then brevity means short, like I'm trying to make this as short as possible. All right, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. You have all my contact information in that letter. You can call, text, email, or leave a comment. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.